Hi everyone, this is Kalyan Kumar this side and welcome back to Product Review. In this video, we are going to be talking about a smart face tracking tripod. Now imagine a tripod that doesn't just hold your phone but actually follows you. No cameraman required, no adjustments, just pure smart tracking. Today we are checking out the Ulanzi TT23 auto face tracking tripod. Let's see whether spending ₹4,000 in it is actually worth it. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you get the tripod itself, a Bluetooth remote that is attached to the tripod, a charging cable, and a user manual. To set up the tripod, first open the phone clamp using this particular screw. Flip the phone clamp up. And pull the tripod down. Loosen the locking mount and set it down by a gentle push on the ground or the desk. The tripod legs will automatically open. The entire tripod extends up to 163 centimeters or 5.3 feet, which is perfect for a variety of shooting setups. To install the phone, start by opening the clamp wide. Place your phone in and press it firmly. You can easily switch it between horizontal and vertical shooting modes. You can also flip the phone either to use the front or the rear camera. You can take out the phone from the tripod with the phone clamp. To do this, keep the phone in the vertical mode and push it up to remove it. If you're working on a desk, expand the clamp to make it work like a phone stand. Before you start using the gimbal, make sure that the gimbal is unlocked. If you keep the phone screen towards you, it will be easy to check whether it's tracking you or not, though it is not necessary. Press and hold the power button to turn it on. The gimbal tracks not by the phone camera but by the small camera tucked underneath the phone stand. For tracking, make sure the tripod camera is facing the subject. If you're sitting down and tracking, tilt it down. And if you want it to track while you're walking, tilt it up. For best results, keep the subject within 1 to 4 meters or 3 to 13 feet. To begin tracking, face the tripod camera and make an OK gesture. The gimbal will lock on and follow you, even in a crowd, even with people walking by, because it locks on to that person who makes the OK gesture. To pause the tracking, put your palm out towards the tripod camera. The tracking stops. And the gimbal shows red light. To restart tracking, make an L-shaped gesture and wait for 2 seconds. The gimbal will now show a green light and it will be starting to track you again. You can do both auto and manual panning using the gimbal. First, unlock the gimbal to start auto panning. Press the power button twice. The gimbal will now smoothly rotate clockwise. The gimbal will continue to rotate unless stopped. To stop it, press the power button again once. If you double press the gesture button instead, the gimbal will now rotate counterclockwise. To stop it again, press the power button once. For manual panning, make sure the gimbal is unlocked and the tracking is off. This tripod comes with a Bluetooth remote to take pictures and start-stop video recording. You can take out the remote by holding onto its sides, but taking it out is not that easy. Slide the switch up to enter the pairing mode. On the phone's Bluetooth list, look for Ulanzi TT23 and tap it to pair. Once paired, press it to take pictures and start or stop video recording. Now this tripod can also work as a selfie stick. Make sure the gimbal is locked first. Fold the tripod legs by pulling the locking mount up. Attach your phone with the bent part of the phone stand towards you. Extend the tripod as much as you want, and now use the Bluetooth remote to take pictures. Now the gimbal also has a 1/4 inch mount. Fold down the phone clamp to reveal the 1/4 inch mount for cameras and other accessories. It is compatible with compact cameras, action cameras and other devices, but make sure they are not heavyweight. You can even use another phone clamp with this and shoot with 2 phone cameras and with 2 different angles. Now to sum it up, the Ulanzi TT23 is a thoughtfully designed tripod that makes solo recording incredibly convenient. The fact that it works without an app, offers smooth and responsive face tracking and remains lightweight and portable makes it a very practical tool for teachers, students and content creators alike. The addition of gesture control and a Bluetooth remote further enhances the overall ease of use, making hands-free recording feel natural and effortless. Now that said, it's not without its limitations. The tracking performance can dip in low light conditions and the range is somewhat restricted, so it works best within a controlled setup. Because it is very lightweight and made primarily of plastic, you do need to handle it with care, especially during travel. At full height, it can also be slightly unstable, particularly in windy environments or uneven surfaces. Now this could result in shaky videos if there is some wind, but if your phone has some internal stabilization, then this would not be a problem. So overall, if you're looking for an affordable smart tripod that simplifies recording without needing extra apps or assistance, this is a solid choice as long as you use it in the right controlled conditions and handle it mindfully. Now if you found this video useful, then please do hit the like button and subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for notifications, as you're going to find many videos related to these aspects of tech, including how you can use certain softwares, how you can use AI systems and many other stuff. So with that, this is Kalyan Kumar signing off. Have a great and wonderful day and thank you for watching this.